Hi folks, every people have a mindset that selling a product is the most tough and challenging job than any other task. But believe me guys, it's a very simple process that has only 7 stages. Stage 1. Start developing an in-depth knowledge about the product what is going to sell. Stage 2. Start generating prospects and filterize the target audience from your prospects. Stage 3. Convert the target audience as your contact and start adding values to it. Stage 4, which is the key point. Don't sell your product. Instead of that, try to understand what are the needs and requirement of your content. Stage 5. Introduce the ideas how your product is going to solve the needs and requirement of your content. Stage 6. Give an observant time for your content to understand what is the benefit of your product. Stage 7. Close the sale. All you need to cross the 7 stages are being very patient, which is an important key aspect of a successful business model. Thank you guys.